Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows build and creating a system restore point. This protects you if something goes wrong. Next, download the rounded Taskbar utility or Explorer patcher and keep it in your Downloads folder so you know where it is. Once done, close non-essential apps to avoid conflicts and make sure you have admin rights. These steps reduce risk and speed the installation process. Run the installer as administrator and accept any UAC prompts so the patch can modify Explorer components. Then choose the radius and animation settings. Smaller radii give subtle curves, larger values make dramatic rounding, plus color blending if available to match your theme. After applying settings, use the tool's Restart Explorer button or Open Task Manager to restart Explorer. That reloads the shell and applies the rounded visuals immediately. Finally, verify the taskbar on each display and check scaling so rounding looks consistent. Different DPI can change the appearance. If things look off, revert using your system restore point or the tool's undo option. This restores Explorer and settings. Make sure to keep the utility updated and disable or reinstall it after major Windows updates, because shell updates can break patches. Doing so prevents persistent visual glitches and keeps the system stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.